In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to Excel. We'll be focusing on two effective methods to get the job done. Whether you're using a Windows or Mac desktop, these steps will guide you through the process of converting an image containing a table into an Excel spreadsheet. This can be incredibly useful for managing data more effectively. Let's dive right in. To start, let's look at the first method, which involves using an image file. Open Microsoft Excel. You can either create a new workbook or open an existing one, whichever suits your needs best. Next, click on the Data tab. This is where you'll find the tools you need for importing images. From there, choose from Picture, then select Picture from File. Now you'll need to choose the image from your computer. Make sure it's the correct file, as Excel will analyze this image to extract the data. Once you've selected your image, Excel will show you a preview of what it has analyzed. Take a moment to review any detected errors. If there are mistakes, make corrections as needed. This step is vital because it ensures the data is imported accurately. After confirming everything looks good, click Insert Data. This will place the data into your worksheet, and just like that, you've successfully converted your image to Excel. Moving on to the second method, which is using a screenshot. First, take a screenshot of the table or data you want to convert. Once you have your screenshot ready, copy it to your clipboard. Now head back to Excel. Again, go to the Data tab, select From Picture, and this time choose Picture from Clipboard. Excel will then extract the data from your screenshot. Review it carefully, just as you did with the image file. It's important to ensure everything has been captured accurately. Once satisfied, click Insert Data. This action will insert the data into your worksheet, giving you a neat and editable table. Now, if you don't see the From Picture option, there are a few things to check. This feature requires a supported version of Microsoft Excel and is available in Microsoft 365. On Windows, make sure you have Windows 10 version 1903 or later, or Windows 11. Also, ensure that the Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime is installed. Keeping your software up to date can prevent such issues. Before we wrap up, let me share some tips for the best results. Use a clear, high-resolution image. This helps Excel accurately read the data. Crop the image so only the table is visible. Avoid using tilted or angled photos, as they can distort the information. Make sure the text is readable and well lit. These steps are important because they maximize the accuracy of the data conversion. And there you have it. Converting an image to Excel can be a simple process when you follow these guidelines. It's a powerful feature that can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on analyzing and using your data effectively. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you streamline your workflow and make the most of your data. See you in the next video.